I only have you guys to thank for being in this position. I'm going to be giving a presentation at Kevin Sanderson's PPC Mastery Summit, May 13 to 15. And just being in the company of whoever else is being featured is an honor in and of itself. Just going based off memory and my proficiency with LinkedIn. Mina Elias, Kevin, Abe Shamali, Max, Ritu Java, Liz, John Elder, Steve Pope, Joey, Sorry Dude with the Mustache, I know you're the Jungle Scout guy, and John Espinal. I mean, each of these people are, and of course, I didn't know everybody by face, but just to be featured among people like that, those industry leaders, thank you. I hope you guys sign up for the summit. I hope that my presentation is worthy of your time and attention. Please send any critiques you may have, compliments, or even insults. I'll be more than welcoming. Thank you all.